Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for the cutest little tote bag? So I'm going to come on strong here and tell you my favorite thing about this bag is the way it looks. I love this cute little patchwork design. I think it's so cute. It goes with several outfits that I have. And I also love the versatility of this bag. So you can use it as an over-the-shoulder bag, as a crossbody bag, which is great for traveling. And also you can just take the whole strap off and use it as a handbag. And any way that I used it, it was very comfortable to use. So that's a wonderful feature. I also got to tell you about the durability of this bag. So I'm not known to be very gentle on my stuff. I am a busy woman. I've got a husband, I've got kids, I've got pets, and I've got a lot going on. But this bag has withstood me and my life. It has several pockets in it. You can fit your cell phone in there. You can fit your tablet in there. And I love the zippers. They are very durable. They're easy to open. They're easy to close. And look at the stitching on this bag. This thing is not going to fall apart. Everything is very well made and very durable. I love that. It is wonderful to travel with. I fit so many things in here. I'm packing my toothbrush for a long weekend trip, but also I've just taken it on date night before, and it was very nice to have because I could fit everything that I needed in there, and even an extra sweater for if the weather got cold. This tote bag is amazing. It's durable, it's adorable, and you're gonna love it. But that's just my point of view.